Hi, my name is Andy Parkin. I'm the Managing Director of the Multi-Award Winning Speed Screed. I'm here to tell you about some of the main reasons why Speed Screed can make all the difference to the quality of your finished floor. Good floor screeders are a key factor in making sure your floor is finished to the highest standards. At Speed Screed, we pride ourselves on delivering the best floor screeding in the UK. That may sound like a big claim, but our reputation speaks for itself. The principles of Speed Screed is attention to detail, excellent customer service, and a commitment to finishing on time, every time. As floor screeders, we not only supply the best quality screeds for commercial and domestic construction, but we also provide a skilled workforce. We'll provide and install all your screeding for a variety of projects, including underfloor heating installation, acoustic insulation, and membranes as required. All our services are provided nationwide, so wherever your project is located, Speed Screed can provide a great team of floor screeders ready to work on your site. Safety first. When looking for floor screeders, you will want to know that your safety is paramount. Speed Screed is accredited by the Safety Management Advisory Service, SMAS, and the Contractors Health Assessment Scheme, CHAS. Additionally, we are part of a government-run scheme, Construction Line, which monitors safety standards on companies in the construction industry. The safety of your site and personnel is front and centre at all times. ISO 9001 certification. Speed Screed meets the international standards for quality, meaning that you can be assured that all our products and services are consistent with current regulations. Not only that, but we are continually striving to improve our service to our customers, so you can be sure that the very best of floor screeders will be arriving on your site. Quality guarantee. Speed Screed always provides a 10-year guarantee, so you can rest assured that labour and materials are covered. We ensure that our teams work to British Standard BS 82041 2003, which means you can be totally confident that all our work is completed to the highest standards. Value for money. We are so confident that you will not find floor screeders that can offer you better value that if you can, we will complete for free. Technical support. Our technical support is second to none and is available to our customers 7 days a week. Our talented, knowledgeable office staff is available to take your call and discuss any specific needs or issues that arise. I know that Speed Screed provides the best floor screeders available today, and I am sure that we can bring some great value to your project. If you need more information or would like to discuss a project, please don't hesitate to give us a call.